Do you know why AI is future? Because it can do difficult. Do you know why AI is future? Because it can do difficult.
Hello, my dear valued viewers.
Do you know why AI is future? Because it can do difficult.
Hello, my dear valued viewers. Hello, my dear valued viewers. Hello, my dear valued viewers. Dear valued viewers, here is Vishalakshi Rajapantula and you're watching Learn Stock Market Day Trading YouTube channel First Live. Today onwards I'm going to be live in the market hours to discuss some important strategies, trends about the stock market day trading. Let's get into the video. This is the checking video, so please ignore all the disturbances. In the market hours to discuss some important strategies, trends, the stock market day trading. Let's get into the video. Your values is this here is Vishalakshi Rajapantula. You're watching the stock market day trading YouTube channel First Live. Today onwards I'm going to be live in the market hours discuss some important strategies, trends about the stock market day trading. Let's get into the video. This is the checking video, so please ignore all the disturbances. Could you please tell me in the chat box? Could you please tell me in the chat box? Am I audible to you? Please, this is the first live video. Today I have designed a PPT here which is about trading journal ideas. I would like to discuss about Bank Nifty's price action, the pre-market analysis, and the trading journal ideas. Everything about here. Please talk to me in the chat box so that I would know whether it is useful to you or not. Am I audible to you? Please write it in the chat box, please. Two members are watching this video. Could you please tell me in the chat box, am I audible? Can I start the presentation here or not? Please tell me. Can I start the presentation here? Please tell me. Hello? 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 Okay. I assume that the screen is very clear to you and my voice is clear because nobody answered my question in the chat box. I started explaining the post market analysis. Just now the market is closed, and first I'll explain what is the pre-market analysis, and then I explain the post-market analysis, what happened throughout the days will be discussed in this video. If any doubts, please ask me in the chat box so that I will be very happy to um, explain to you. Okay, now the 18 May 2023 pre-market analysis. I have told that Nifty and Bank Nifty are in the downtrend here. Nifty, Bank Nifty are in the downtrend according to the CPR pivot point system. So we have marked all the important levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty. After marking all of them, I have discussed about the bearish areas, the bearish locations we have to take care of. So I want to be bearish at 44,000 in Bank Nifty as well as 43,700 in Bank Nifty itself. And in Nifty also you can see this is the mark I have put in the morning. Bearish in Nifty, bearish at 18,290 and 18,200. If you see here, this is the level I have marked in the morning, 18,289, which is 290, 18,290, and this is the level 18,200. I have told you to be bearish at these areas. Now, what happened throughout the day? What is the psychology? Whether I took any trade? If I took the trade, what happens next? Everything will be discussed here. See. I'll show you the charts here. First of all, I want to tell you that I want to take the trade in Bank Nifty today itself. When the market opens, I have a strong conviction that today is going to be a downtrend day, and as per my system, my planning, I want to take the trade in Bank Nifty itself today. So I took the trade at, I will keep this away. I took the trade once the first 5-minute candle closes at this area. There is a rejection here, and I took the trade here and put my stop loss somewhere above the previous day high. Okay, somewhere above here. I will mark this somewhere above here, above 44,000, 44,000 above. So what happens here is my stop loss triggered here, and I'm really so confused why this happened, because Nifty is showing a pure bearish day and I have entered in Bank Nifty. My stop loss has taken from the by the market, and I just speechless for 1 to 2 minutes because this is such a good day. I felt like today I'm going to make some good money. So I feel like something wrong happened with me. So again, I readjusted myself and do the analysis again. So if you see here in Nifty, if at all I didn't enter in Bank Nifty, I enter in Nifty, I would have made a big profit. And as I expected, the move started at this point of time. If the move started at this point, my target should be the S1 here. If you see here, the price come till here and my target is S1 here. If I would have entered in Nifty, in case of Bank Nifty, I would have made some good amount here, but unfortunately the Bank Nifty is sideways for a long time here. This is in sideways for a long period of time. So after this stop loss triggering, I again have strong conviction that today is going to be a bearish day in Bank Nifty, and I have entered after the close of this candle. 9:45 candle, I have entered here and put my stop loss again somewhere like this. See, somewhere like this, somewhere here. and it gave me a good profits because the price came till here and made a bounce from this point till this point, which my stop loss has taken away by the market here also. And I know that whenever this happens for two consecutive times, we should not trade the market because this is in the sideways mode. So I know that Bank Nifty is in the sideways mode, even though the analysis is very strong today. The Bank Nifty is showing some sideways action. If at all I take the trade in Nifty, I would have been in the trade for all day long and I would have made some good amount here. It's okay. Losses are part of the game. I accept the losses, and then I thought of moving to the live session every single day because it gives me good interaction with the subscribers so that I could attract more number of subscribers doing live sessions like this. So, now one more important point I want to discuss here is the turning point. Okay, if you don't watch the pre-market analysis, I'm going to give the link in the description box. Please do watch that video so that it would make sense to you what I'm saying clearly to your mind. So these blue lines are the turning points. Turning points are nothing but yesterday's breakouts. I have marked this turning point because the first 1 hour is broken by this candle. So I have made this as a turning point, and if you see here, once the price closes here, the traders who trades these turning points wants to move the price from this point to this point. Okay, so they made their own way of doing things. The buyers are here and they push the price, but they are not successful. Again, the sellers who are having strong conviction that today is going to be a downtrend day, and they push the price below this turning point. Once the price pushes below this turning point, this support turns into resistance. Earlier it was a support, then it turns into resistance. When you see here, throughout the day for 2 more times, this turning point acts as a strong resistance when once price comes still here. Okay, and I already told you that we have to be bearish at this point. And again, when I see the price action in Nifty at this area, I want to take the trade, but as per my system, I have achieved my loss per day, so I didn't take any trade. But today, I would say that operation success, patient dead. I felt like crazy because all my analysis is right and it is showing in the charts, but I couldn't make money today. It's okay. I pat my back because we have to follow our plan. The profits are the byproduct of the process. If you see here today, I have made a loss even though analysis is right, because my view is the price will drop from this point to this point. This is my analysis. It didn't come. The price has dropped from here, but didn't come till here. It's okay, but if at all I am in the trade, I would have made some good amount of money, even for 5 lots also. So this is like the markets are almighty. Even though you are doing your best, sometimes your pre-market analysis is approved by the market, but some sideways moves will take your stop losses. That doesn't mean that this analysis is wrong. It's not like that. Tomorrow onwards, maybe I would do the analysis in the same way, and that time I would have make some money in this particular strategy also, and that particular day Nifty may be sideways and moves in my direction. So what is your mindset should be is like triggering the stop loss is very common in this business. So just keep your learning keep your analysis, keep your pre-market analysis every single day, and do it every single day for a period of 20 trades or 20 trading days, so that you will understand the power of the consistency here. Once you understand the power of consistency, you will be in the markets forever. Yes, if you come here to gamble the markets, it is not for you. If you come here to learn, to learn from the stock market and earn from the stock market. In order to earn from the stock market, that means getting money from the stock market, first of all, you have to learn about the stock market. Particularly, this is about the day trading, directional day trading. And I don't know whether it is audible to you. Is it okay for you? I don't know, but I have explained this. I want to explain this. Oh, someone has commented yes, audible. I'm very happy. If it is audible, please watch this. Okay, please watch this video. Today onwards, I'm going to be live. And if at all any such small issues with background noises or everything else, please ignore it. Day by day, I will improve this session, and I will try to explain more concepts during the live session. And I want to see the comments here. Mr. Ramu K has commented that, is it possible to identify midday the market is becoming sideways and exit before 43,880? 43,880. Where is it? Sorry. Where is 43,880? Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Ramu has asked about, is it possible to predict the market is sideways and to exit at this price level 43,880? This is his query. Okay, this is his query, and I would like to answer this. Mr. Ramu, it is not possible to it is not possible to predict that, because as per this system, my system, if I enter any price at any location, I want to take the profits even it is 1:2 risk reward or next pivot. As per this analysis, if at all I would have been in the trade from the morning, I'm going to take the profits at this area. This is my strategy. I choose a strategy with 1:3, 1:5, 1:6 risk reward. I want to enter after the close of this candle. I want to take the profits here. This is my plan before the market opens, and the same plan is applicable to Nifty also. But unfortunately, I have taken the trade in Bank Nifty. If at all I have taken the trade in Nifty, I would be in profits. As per this system, answering to your question, as per this system, it is not possible to guess at this point of time, because my system doesn't supported it. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying. If at all I enter here, I will take my profit at this point of time. One more issue here is, if you see the blue line here, as you have already asked about 43,880 level, this is the blue line. Yes, I want to discuss this one. Thank you, Ramu, for asking me this question. As this is the turning point which I have marked yesterday, which is the yesterday's breakout of first 1 hour, which is the morning range. And if you see here how beautifully the price took support at this level, if you see this candle, you would understand. In the live market, this candle is something like the dark red color. I will show you how it appears during the live market. This is something like this. Okay, this candle is something like this, and it took support at this turning point, and it goes like this till here, closes here. This is the power of analysis, and the turning points are so beautifully acting as supports here. Once it took the support from here, again the selling pressure came from this area. The price comes still here, and again it took support at this area, which is the turning point, and made a bounce from here to here. Again the selling pressure continues. If at all the if at all the market doesn't close, the price would have reached this level. Okay, this is the power of analysis. Try to follow my videos so that I will give you some important insights about the markets, strategies, and the trends. And one more thing, Nifty is so beautifully made this day. I feel really regret about entering in Bank Nifty sometimes, but this is my strategy, my planning, and I want to take the trade in Nifty, in Bank Nifty only for this strategy. This is my way of doing things, and I hope for the next time I would have made some good amount of money. If at all I make some money, I will post that money in the YouTube, and I will explain what is the strategy behind it. If you want to know, learn any concept, please tell me in the comment section, or you can mail me so that I would make some presentation about it, and I will explain it live in the YouTube video. Please tell me how is the post market analysis, whether it likes or not. Somebody like nothing has nothing. The name is nothing. He or she has asked about how to mark turning point. Okay, I would love to explain this concept, because when I explain about the charts and the CPR pivot points, the levels, I feel so happy. I could explain it for a good amount of time, like 24 hours. So, Mr. Nothing or Miss Nothing, whoever it may be, turning point is nothing but yesterday's breakout. For example, in this case, turning point is something like, I will show you here. You have to know about the morning range. Okay, morning range is something like the first 1 hour candle, high and low. The first 1 hour candle, which is the high and low, this is the 9:15 candle, this is the high, and if you see here, this is the candle of 9:55. See, this is 10:15 candle, and this is the low, the first 1 hour high and low. Once the price closes below this level, that is going to be a turning point, because this is the breakout from first 1 hour. First 1 hour has significant importance in the trading. Okay, when you choose this morning range method, you could make money, because this strategy works well on trending days, because during trending days there is a lot more chance once the price breaks above this level, there is no looking back. The price will fall like this from here to here. On this particular day, there is a sideways move here, but we can ignore it, because the stop losses triggering is part of the game. And if you don't know about this is a big concept. I can't explain it right now completely. If you want to watch it, you can go to my YouTube channel, and I will show you where it is. This is my YouTube channel, and you can watch here video. Where is the morning range video? I will explain this. Where is the morning range video? Or else I will give the description. See here, this is the morning range video. Morning range strategy with CPR pivot point plus 20 EMA. If you want to know completely about morning range, you can watch this video so that it is very useful to you in the live market. For example, on this particular day, this turning point, this is the turning point. This turning point is used as the strong support at this level. This acts as the support, that's why the price is making a tail here. Tail is nothing but the buying pressure. Once the price comes till, I will explain this. The price is like this. During the market, the price is like this. Suddenly, it met with the turning point and the price, the buying pressure moves the price and closes till here. This tail is nothing but buying pressure. Even though it is a red body, it has the red body, this is the bullish candle. I assume that you know about the candles and I am saying that this is the bullish candle. For example, if you see this tails indicates the bearishness because there is a pressure, selling pressure from here, and that sellers push the price lower here. Okay, and it is a bearish candle here. I hope I have answered your question, and if you have any doubts, please go and watch the morning range video. Okay, again I'm going to the comments here. Mr. Ramu, it's good, but I'm a bit confused about the entry in Bank Nifty. Okay, he's confused about entry in Bank Nifty. Could we have entered at 920 or 1220 red candle? Okay, I'll explain this. Could we have entered at 920 candle? Which is the 920 opening candle? 920. Yeah, this is the 920 candle. Yes, I have entered after the close of first 5-minute candle. I am very sure about, usually I don't do this, but when I see Nifty also in below the resistance, I felt very confident and entered at this point of time. Okay, at this point of time we can enter, but that is not the right way to take the entry. I have taken the entry like this, that's why my stop loss has triggered for 2 times. If at all I waited to the price to close, I would not enter at this candle because it has closed above my location. I don't want to take the trade above this location. My plan is to take the trade below this location. For example, if I hadn't do that, I would have entered at this candle. That means 945 candle and put my stop loss above this candle. Even though it is a stop loss triggering trade, my stop loss would have been triggered for 1 time only. For this mistake, my stop loss is triggered for 2 times. Usually it is for 1 time, but that is my mistake today. I will rectify that. And once you see the red candle here, you have to see the red candle here. Even though you are 1000% confident, you have to see the red candle so that it will give you more confidence. Once the candle like this, a small candle like this, and entry after the close of this candle, putting stop loss above this candle is a great stress-free method. Okay, once you enter here, and this what happens today, I will share with you, because I should share this with you, because once I entered after the close of this candle, I want to put my stop loss in the terminal, but I couldn't because of the pressure that I am facing, because the candle is moving opposite direction to me. So I feel really so stressful to place the stop loss, and my mind is like something like blank for that 1 to 2 seconds. Then I just do one thing. I just go there and I put the marketplace to sell, just get out of the trade. I just get out of the trade, and then I realized that I have done a blunder here. So I'm very confident that Nifty is showing clear signs here. So why can't I take another trade? Because Nifty is showing approved my pre-market analysis. Then again I entered here, and I have made per lot I have made around 2000 rupees till here. But unfortunately it took my stop loss and sideways for some time and moves in my direction. And one more thing you have asked, what is it? 1220 candle. What is the 1220 candle? Yeah, 1220. Yes, you can enter at the 1220 candle, but you have to check in Nifty also. Where is the 1220 candle? Yes, definitely. Definitely, Mr. Ramu, you can enter at this candle. And if you have entered in Bank Nifty also, you would have made some money today as per my pre-market analysis, because there is a sideways move here, but there is no strong counter trade against our position in Nifty. So if you have entered at this point and put your stop loss above this area, you would have made some profits on Nifty. Definitely you can enter at 1220 candle, but this is Bank Nifty is not that much a strong conviction. You can take the entry there, but if you have entered there, your stop loss will definitely triggers. And one more thing here is, today is the expiry day, isn't it? Today is Thursday, which is the weekly expiry day, and that expiry is showing so much impact in my trade also, because Bank Nifty is in sideways move. Theta decay will take all your premium, right? For example, if you see here, I have entered after this close of this candle, put my stop loss at this green level, somewhere like this. Okay, but if you see here this candle, if you see this on this particular candle, my stop loss triggered due to theta decay. If at all I am an option seller here today, I would have made good profits, because this theta decay, this 20 30 30 points 40 points theta decay would help me to be in the trade throughout the day, because all the sideways move will give the theta decay amount to me, okay, as a option seller. But as I was a option buyer on this particular day, the theta decay is in favor of the option seller, so that those option sellers taken my premium and my stop loss triggered, even though it is not showing in the charts. Okay, on this particular candle my stop loss triggers. So my suggestion is, be a option buyer as well as a option seller according to the context. Usually most of the traders don't have that much money to take the trade. For example, I want to take 5 lots in Bank Nifty. For that we should have at least 8 lakhs. Okay, at least 8 lakhs we should have to manage throughout the month, ups and downs. So if you want to take the trade for 5 lots, you should have 8 lakh rupees. So I suggest that if at all you can afford that much amount, you can be an option seller on this particular day, so that you will get theta decay advantage. Think of this like this: if you are an option seller and all the premium from the buyers is collecting on this particular sideways move, maybe there is a chance that even though the price goes still here, your stop loss didn't triggers. That is the advantage for option sellers. Your stop loss didn't triggers, and the theta decay will also help you to make big money. As you are a directional trader with CPR pivot points, you are having greater advantage being a option seller or a buyer here. Okay, on this particular day, if you are a option seller, you would have made good profit along with the theta decay from the option buyers. So if you can afford that much amount, please be a option seller on expiry days, so that if your win rate is at least 5 trades out of 10 trades, you're going to get 6-7 winning trades out of 10 trades, because during Tuesdays and Wednesdays also you will face lot of theta decay. Now again I hope, Mr. Ramu, I have answered your questions here. Okay. Again, Mr. or Miss Nothing is asking about, will you look at OI data? No, I don't look at OI data. I don't look at what is theta, about theta decay, what is delta, something like that. No, I don't follow option chain. This is the most important thing I want to discuss about, because really I don't know why from the day one I'm using the CPR pivot points and I'm trading in my earlier days. I only trade in ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Company, which is the government company. I only trade in ONGC itself, because I have watched two persons videos in my earlier days, that is Oliver Velez and the Pivot Call. Those are my mentors, and I just connected to their system and I don't look after another things since then. Oliver Wallace says that 20 EME, 20 simple moving average and 200 simple moving average is his particular system. And pivot call is about CPR pivot points. When I see pivot call videos, I have enthusiastic about the markets, because I feel like, oh, I can also make money with the system. Then once I learned about the CPR pivot points, I eagerly wanted to learn about the OI data, non-directional strategies like straddles, strangles, ironfly, butterfly, something like that. But I don't know why that is not my cup of cake. My cup of cake is about CPR pivot points, and I do learn about Camarilla pivots, money zone, RSI, but I'm very fond of the CPR pivot points, and I give most of my time to analyze with CPR pivot points any stocks, any indices. Even though I have made a video on gold. Actually, I have made a video on gold. Yeah, to backtest the system on gold. One of my subscriber has asked me in the comment section whether it is worked out in the gold or not. This is the video I have done for him or her, I don't know. 18% return has given on gold mini futures with CPR pivot points. CPR pivot points is a system where you can use universally for Bitcoin, commodities like gold, silver, wheat, and indices, stocks, Nasdaq companies, Dow Jones companies, any foreign chart, Apple, Amazon, anything like that. If you learn this system, you can apply this system any index, any commodity, anything like that. This is the beauty of CPR pivot points. And one more important thing here is about the CPR pivot points is, I will tell you. Most of the time it is very accurate. If you give your 100% time here, it is so accurate. And I have forgotten what I want to say about CPR pivot points. Okay, if at all I recall them, I will share it with you. Again, there is a time to stop this live stream. Okay, so in at 4:15 I would like to stop this live stream, and if at all you want to learn about trading journal ideas in this particular live stream, you can comment me. I will share it to you. I will explain it to you. Because I have so much of energy on this particular day. You can learn from me. That would be very nice to share my knowledge with you. If you want to learn about trading journal ideas on this particular uh, day, please comment me. And again, nothing was told that if you enter in 1220 Bank Nifty, where will be the stop loss? Yes, 1220 candle. As per the system, 1220 candle, I will show you. Where is it? Yeah, short position. If at all I enter at this candle, okay, I enter at this candle. Yes, this is my view about today's trade. Okay, this is my view. If I enter at 12:20 candle, my stop loss is above this area. Okay, above this area. This is the stop loss. This is the entry. And my target is this. Okay, and my target is this green line. This is my view about the markets on this particular day. For example, if I entered at this candle, I will show you where I will be putting the stop loss here. Okay, did you see this clearly? This is my risk and this is my reward. Okay, I have chosen a strategy which is having minimum risk and maximum reward. In Nifty, it is showing it is coming near my target. Unfortunately, I have not entered in Nifty, no problem. And this is the way I have chosen. My stop losses triggers for 2 to 3 times in a month, but I will definitely get the profits by the end of the month. This is my strategy according to the CPR pivot points. And one thing, if you want to learn about CPR pivot points completely, the system, the psychology, the risk management, definite amount of money at the end of the month, what is the strategy you have to choose, everything will be discussed in my webinar. If you want to attend my webinar, please contact me in my mail ID. I would like to give the mail ID in the description box, or else you can note it from here itself. I will show you here. Okay, this is my mail ID. You can ask me for the, sorry, you can contact me. This is the mail ID. I'm putting my mail ID here. It's the text here. Okay, this is my mail ID. If you would like to learn about the CPR pivot points, it's complete system to learn about changing trends, how the trend is changing, where you have to take your trade, what is your stop loss, where is your entry, everything will be discussed in this video. And after the webinar, you are going to get the post webinar support for 1 month itself. For example, if you have taken the webinar on May 15th, then you will get post webinar support till June 15th. In this 1 month area, I'm going to give answer your doubts, something like that, through the web, through the Gmail, or through this live sessions also. Now again, I want to, okay, again I want to go to the comments. Mr. Ramu has asked that to stay profitable, would it have been better to take equal lots like 2 in Nifty and Bank Nifty? No, sir, no. I don't suggest that. Even though Nifty and Bank Nifty moves in tandem, that is, moves in the same way. Most of the time, the charts, if you see Bank Nifty and Nifty, looks the same. But I don't prefer to take trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty simultaneously, because I am very particular about taking money by the end of the month. If you are doing such things in Nifty and Bank Nifty, as you are a novice trader or you may have some experience, but until or unless we make money from the markets. We treat ourselves as a novice trader. That is good for us. Please don't take too many trades. No, don't take too many trades. That is not useful. By the end of the month, there may be chances to make money, but lesser chances to make money. I suggest to just trade in one index. If you follow my suggestion, your learning curve will be decreased. Just trade in Bank Nifty or Nifty according to your risk appetite, everything. And I don't prefer to take too many indices or stocks like that. You can trade it, but once you are familiar with the system, once you are familiar and you have confidence that for consecutive 2 months you are making money from the market, you definitely take the trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And okay. Okay. Mr. Ramu has asked that please do another session on trading channel. No problem, sir. I know that everybody is exhausted. I'm very glad to do this session. Thank you so much for being in the live, and I hope I have answered your queries here, and I'm very happy to answer all your questions. I'm going to end this session. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you so much for coming to the live.